So what is a condom? Most patients that are sexually active are familiar with condoms. It is the most readily available form of birth control that does not require a prescription. Although condoms are not used as widely as they should, it is the only form of birth control that prevents sexually transmitted infections. And it is the most effective form of birth control that does not require a prescription. You can go to any pharmacy and buy condoms. It's important that if you want to prevent pregnancy and sexually transmitted diseases, you need to use the condom every single time. That does not mean that you start the act of sex and then halfway through you start the condom use. You must use the condoms from the very beginning to the very end of your act of sex. If you are considering becoming sexually active, or you are sexually active right now and you are not using any form of birth control, don't forget, sex is for pregnancy. If you are trying to prevent pregnancy and you are having sex without using birth control, you're not doing a very good job. Go to the pharmacist, ask them where the condoms are, and get them and use them. Again, if you are having sex and you are not using birth control and you don't want to get pregnant, your form of birth control options right now are not going to work. You need to use something. Get condoms, and if you don't like using condoms, see a doctor or nurse practitioner to consider your options.